Hi Jaylas, it's been a while, so samahan niyo ako as I spend my day as a baker when it's holiday season. Today I have 3 orders of strawberry tres leches. Order ito from Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Tara, i-deliver natin. Wala si Papa kaya si Payotay yung nag-service sa akin. Medyo maaga pa that time, so nag-decide muna ako na mag-restock ng konti. Sabi ko box and paper liners lang ang bibilihin ko, pero ang dami ko na naman binili. Pero I don't have to worry kasi magagamit ko din to for sure, lahat yan. As a baker, masaya lang talaga mamili sa baking supply store. After restocking, I went to our store para kumuha ng stickers kasi wala na akong stickers sa house. At lagyan lang natin yung ating boxes. I also attached our Christmas cards na na-order ko from Miss Amy Macandog. Napakaganda ng card, diba? At pagkatapos ko mag-deliver ng cakes, bumalik ako sa store para i-check lahat ng orders for the day. I also prepared some gift boxes to be given to some people that day.
Ang Galaxy, S8 Plus po.
Oo. Ready to go home na sana ako pero nakakatuwa kasi nakatanggap tayo ng gift from But First Coffee, Ateneo Avenue, which I shared sa aking mga staff sa store para at least matikman nila yung coffee ng But First Coffee. After I went home, syempre nag-lunch ako and then mga around 2:30, nag-start ulit tayo mag-work. Nag-bake na tayo ng cakes na kailangan para the next day. Medyo mahaba-habang oras yung baking, 'di ba? Kasi medyo marami yung ginawa namin. Naghahabol din ako ng oras na matapos ito agad para at least for the next day, hindi na hassle. At ready na lahat. Itong ginagawa ko is vanilla chiffon cake with whipped cream layers and chocolate ganache. And on top is chocolate drip. Medyo makapal yung chocolate drip ko pero it's okay. I think mas masarap yun. But then, yung ibang cakes na mga sumunod dyan, medyo ginawa kong thinner yung chocolate para at least mas drippy siya. Mas madali siyang i-drip. After ng mga chocolate cakes natin, let's proceed to our strawberry tres leches cake, our best seller. Ito yung classic design namin. This is actually 8 inches round. Next is our mango cream cake. At nakita nyo naman medyo late na, pero kailangan pa rin natin tapusin. At naghahabol tayo ng oras para at least makapag-rest tayo. Kasi the next day, maaga na naman for sure. Yung size ng mango cream cake is also 8 inches. At ayan, natapos na rin tayo. O diba kala mo isa lang or dalawang drip cake lang yung ginawa ko. Pero 12 yan. So imagine, 12:30 tayo natapos. But it's okay. Kailangan kumayod. That's it for this video. Maraming salamat. Bye!